Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is market equilibrium. We have studied demand function. It tells how much quantity of commodity a consumer or all the consumer in the market are willing to purchase at given price. On the other hand, we are also studied supply function. Tells us how much commodity firm are willing to supply at given price. Now the question is, how is equilibrium price is determined? Hence, so we shall try to analyze the process of equilibrium price determination in the competitive market with the help of demand and supply analysis. First, we study the market equilibrium. There had been a long drawn controversy in economics whether the price is determined by the demand or by supply. The right answer to this question is that it is determined by both of them. In the process of price determination, none of them is less or more important than others. So, for the determination of equilibrium price, demand and supply both are not only needed but are equally important. Let's now understand how equilibrium price or market equilibrium is determined in the perfect competitive market through the force of demand and supply. When number of firms are fixed, market equilibrium is a situation when market demand is equal to market supply of a commodity. Also, equilibrium price is at which the market demand is equal to market for a commodity, and equilibrium quantity is the quantity of commodity which is demanded as well as supply at the equilibrium price. In other words, we can say that market equilibrium it refers to a situation of market in which market demand for a commodity is equal to its market supply. That is a situation which is stable. Now, equilibrium price, it is the price at which the market demand is equal to market supply. Next, equilibrium quantity, it is the quantity which correspond to equilibrium price. Here in the table you can see that quantity demanded by the consumer at different price level and quantity supplied by the producer at those price level, but market equilibrium will be determined when both the consumer and producer agree to a common price and common quantity at that price. As in the above table, you can see that rupees 3 is the equilibrium price, which is the common price for both consumer as well as producer. At that price quantity is 300 unit, which is therefore the equilibrium quantity. And any price below 3 rupees is not the equilibrium price, because the situation which denoted excess demand, that is market demand for commodity, is greater than the market supply. Similarly, any price above the 3 rupees is also not equilibrium price, because that is a situation which denoted excess supply. That is market supply for the commodity is greater than the market demand. So in short, we can say that perfect competition is the price of the commodity is determined through the equilibrium between the market supply and the market demand. That is D is equal to S. The assumptions of equilibrium: first, demand curve should always have a negative slope. Second, supply curve should have a positive slope. And determination of equilibrium price under perfect competition. Equilibrium price under perfect competition refer to the price which corresponding to the equality between the market demand and market supply. What is excess demand? It refers to the situation in which at a price in the market demand is more than that of supply. And excess supply, it refers to a situation of at price in the market supply is more than that of demand. Thank you.